welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to cook a unique Rabha recipe which is shared by my cousin. It's chicken with taro roots. Taro roots are delightfully rejoiced during the winter months, and these variety mainly grows in the hills. The roots adds a different dimension to a simple chicken recipe which is served as a main course. For this recipe we need chicken pieces, taro roots, sliced tomatoes, sliced onions, roughly pounded ginger, turmeric powder, mustard oil, slit green chilies. You may need extra chilies in this recipe so that we can cut off the itchiness from the taro roots, and salt. Now let's start cooking. First of all, heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add your sliced onion, slit green chilies. Then saute this for a couple of minutes on a medium flame until the onions turn golden. Then add your taro roots. Fry this for another 4 to 5 minutes. Now lower the flame and add your chicken pieces, ginger, turmeric powder and salt as per taste. Stir them well. Cover and cook this for 15 to 20 minutes until the water from the meat is almost dry. Occasionally stir in between. Finally, add your sliced tomatoes and keep stirring the dish until the tomatoes are soft. Add little water if required. However, I like mine slightly dry. And just like that, our chicken recipe is ready. Our chicken with taro roots has turned out really yummy. The chicken is juicy and tender, while the tomatoes, chilies and ginger has made it mildly spicy, and the taro roots have added a beautiful creamy texture to the dish. I hope you enjoyed this winter recipe, and do subscribe to my channel for more travel and food updates. Now it's time for me to dig in.